Hi guys, please join me. This is Maria from Crochet Fashion. For work I will use 4.5 millimeters crochet hook. All information about the tools could be found in the description of this video tutorial. For this project I chose variegated yarn. Let's begin the work. I will begin from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. My foundation chain is ready. Let's crochet the first row. Make chain of 2. Yarn over the hook. 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch away from the hook. Make half double crochet. And make half double crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. My pattern consists of 2 stitches and has 2 rows. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Let's complete this row with me. Make the last half double crochet. So my first row is ready. Let's crochet the next one. In the next row you will see how to crochet very interesting stitches. I remind you my pattern consists of 2 rows. The first row is half double crochet and the second one is very interesting stitches. Make a chain of 2 to bring up the yarn for the next row and turn the work. Yarn over the hook. I skip the first stitch. Insert the hook into the second stitch. Make half double crochet. Then make one more half double crochet around the stitch that I have done, like this. Yarn over the hook. I skip the next stitch and half double crochet into the second stitch and make half double crochet around the half double crochet, like this. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the second stitch, make half double crochet and half double crochet around the half double crochet. Half double crochet into the second stitch and half double crochet around the half double crochet. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you how to complete it. Let's stop and look at my ready project. And in this video tutorial you will see how to crochet easy to make headband. Before I continue, I stop here and show you my 2 patterns that I would like to use for this headband. They are 2 patterns. The first pattern is half double crochet stitches that I did in an unusual way. Pattern consists of 2 stitches and has 2 rows. It is very easy to make and simple. And let's look at the second pattern. This is the rib part. Also, I'm using half double crochet for this pattern. Pattern consists of 1 stitch and has 1 row. It is a little bit stretchy. I'm about to complete this row. Here what I have at this point. Yarn over the hook. I skip stitch. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. This is the first chain stitch from the top. Make half double crochet. My row is ready. Let's crochet the next row. Chain of 2 to bring up the yarn. Turn the work. yarn over the hook. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make half double crochet, and make half double crochet into each stitch of the previous row, like this. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. It is very easy to make. Make just half double crochet. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Let's complete this row with me. It was a row of half double crochet. Make half double crochet, insert the hook into the second chain stitch. In the beginning of the previous row, make half double crochet, it was the second chain stitch. I count from the bottom. My row is ready. Let's crochet the next row. It is going to be row 4. Chain off 2 to bring up the yarn, turn the work, yarn over the hook. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make half double crochet, and half double crochet around the half double crochet. Half double crochet into the second stitch, and half double crochet around the stitch. Make half double crochet into the second stitch and half double crochet around the half double crochet. Pattern consists of 2 stitches and has 2 rows. Keep working this way till the end of this row. I continue working on my headband. In your case it could be scarf or a part of hat. Let's complete it together. I skip the stitch, insert the hook into the chain stitch, make half double crochet. Continue. The next row will be a row of half double crochet straight. Chain off 2 to bring up the yarn, turn the work, yarn over the hook. I skip the first stitch and half double crochet into the second stitch. Then half double crochet into each stitch of the previous row till the end of this row. As I did here, I remind you this pattern could be used everywhere, from the coaster till the big project such as hat or cardigan or blanket. Let's look at my pattern. This is one side, and let's look at another one. Let's complete this row with me. Make half double crochet, and the last half double crochet make into the second chain stitch on the beginning of the previous row, or this is the first chain stitch from the top. I repeat once again. My pattern consists of 2 stitches and has 2 rows. The first row is half double crochet and the second row is unique half double crochet. Let's repeat my interesting stitches. Make chain of 2, turn the work, make half double crochet into the second stitch, make half double crochet, then half double crochet around the half double crochet, half double crochet into the second stitch, and half double crochet around the half double crochet. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. And you should repeat these 2 rows as many times as you need for your headband or your project. This is one side, and let's look at the second one. Where will be the front side you decided by yourself. Once I have done my swatch, here how it looks. I remind you, as I told you at the beginning of this video, I have got 2 patterns. In this headband, first one is half double crochet made in unusual way, and the second one is half double crochet made into the back loops. Now I show you how to crochet the second pattern. This is one side, and this is another one. Which side will be the front, you decided with your own. And I remind you, you can choose your favorite color of yarn and your favorite crochet hook to create your personal project. In this video I'm using the wool yarn. In your case it could be cotton yarn or another kind of yarn. At this point I would like to measure it. Then I will show you how to crochet the second pattern. The height is 12 centimeters. And the length is 19 centimeters. For me it's enough. So next time I'm going to work on my second pattern. It is going to be half double crochet made into the back loops. I insert the hook, chain off 2 to bring up the yarn, turn the work, yarn over the hook. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, insert the hook into the back loop, make half double crochet, then half double crochet into each back loop. Continue. This method gives my swatch a stretchy and cozy look. You can choose only one pattern for your headband. It depends on your mood and wish and project. I almost done my row. I insert the hook into the second chain stitch on the beginning of the previous row. Make half double crochet. Don't forget about the chains. Chain of 2 to bring up the yarn, turn the work. I skip the first stitch and work with back loop, 1, 2, and so on, like this. It is very easy to make. Here what I have at this point. All additional information about the tools, useful links, could be found in the description of each video tutorial. And don't forget to share my videos with your friends if you like. So you should repeat this pattern as many rows as you need for your personal project and for your size of the head. And make the last one. My row is ready. So keep working as many rows as you need. So my swatch of the second pattern is ready. Here how it looks. At this point, I measure it. It is 23 centimeters. In your case, it could be more or less. I remind you, to create this project, you just need to know the size of your head. Then you should choose one pattern or two patterns for headband and just crochet it. Here what I have. I just need to join two sides together. Before the joining, I just need to choose which side will be the front. And this is one side, and let's look at another one. For me, will be the front side. I put their fronts together. The beginning of the work is closer to me. Let's make the joining. Before the joining, I make a chain, pull it. I insert the hook into the chain stitch. I insert the hook into the back loops. They are my back loops. Make a slip stitch. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. Insert the hook into the back loop. Make slip stitch. Insert the hook into the stitch. Insert the hook into the back loop. Make a slip stitch. You can use the sewing needle or a crochet hook. It depends what method you like. In my case, I chose the joining using the crochet hook. So keep working this way till the end of this row. I'm about to complete the joining. This is the last chain stitch. I insert the hook into the chain stitch. This is the second chain stitch on the beginning of the previous row. In the second side, make a slip stitch, and to secure the yarn by making a chain and pull it. I have already cut off my yarn and my seam is ready. This is the front side and this is the back. I just need to remove all my yarns along the stitches and turn it to the front side. And let's look what I have done. And I would like to say some words about the yarn. In my case, for the video, I chose variegated yarn, like this. But if you don't like the variegated yarn, you can choose one color of yarn or combine 2 or 3 colors. All additional information about the yarns could be found in the description of each video tutorial. So that's it, my project is ready. Here how it looks when you are done. There are 2 patterns in my headband. First one consists of 2 rows and has 2 stitches, and the second one consists of 1 row and has 1 stitch. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and don't miss new video tutorials, which is published every week. It was Maria from Crochet Fashion. See you next time. Bye!